Buena Vista at Heaveners with this guy.
Here we are.
Here we are, getting us a Coyote engine. Heck yeah.
You just told me not.
There he is. There's somebody. So we got us an engine.
We got one.
This guy's on the vlog. I'm not gonna call them vlogs. I'm not gonna call them vlogs anymore. So, yep, Buena Vista. Sounds like somewhere we should be in Spain. But the guy who had the engine, or the shop that had the engine, Seventh-day Adventist, and so we had to roll out pretty quick because the shop owner, they let them know, but they didn't want us to be sort of hanging around. They're not supposed to work on what they consider the Sabbath, which is the 7th day of the week, or Saturday. So, yep. But engine builders the same exact way, so we have to take engines on Sundays or Fridays. They do not do anything on Saturdays. So I understand. Same way with us with Sundays almost, except we're a little bit more lenient. But yep, fun stuff. Ain't that right, Levi?
That's right.
Buy a Coyote motor. Woohoo. What do you think, Levi? Smoky bones. Yeah, man. What you getting?
Food.
What kind of food are you getting?
Probably gonna get smokehouse burger.
I'm getting this.
That's what you're getting?
Yep.
Well, I'm allergic to eggs, so, because I'm weird.
Notate how awesome. Note how awesome that is right there. This makes me really happy. Where'd it go?
She gone.
She gone. She was bad. Now she gone. Oh, you gone out of my life. That took forever.
Took a long time.
Jimmy! Do the what? Don't do that! Jimmy! This is going on YouTube. Stop it. Oh, I'm gonna hit somebody.
Waving. Oh.
We're gonna hit Jimmy. Just stop.
Don't hurt this mother. There, see.
In 3/4 of a mile, keep left to merge onto I-581 South.
We have to blur him out.
Yeah, I don't want on it.
I can cut all that out, Jimmy. Anyways, so we just picked up another engine. Yeah.
What up?
He's gonna shoot me. I'm pretty sure Jimmy's gonna shoot me. We can go in some Sportsman's right now. This guy needs an ear job.
I want this.
What are you gonna do with that?
Well, it's probably an exploding target, so I'd probably make it explode when I shot
Well,
it.
what'd you make explode? Just it? Or would you put it in something?
I'd put it in something.
Put it in a big turkey. Shoot.
Put it in, yes. And go get a turkey from
These
Walmart.
guys quack me up. He's asleep. Look at him. What you doing, Levi? And a wild Levi appears.
Channeling my inner sleeping bag.
Your inner sleeping bag? There's enough of them. Go get in this one. Right there. Right now, this black one right here. Get in it. Get in it. Get in it. Zip yourself up. Zip yourself up. He didn't fall down. There's his feet. What? There comes a Jimmy.
Where'd he come from?
Dude, I come from like right there.
Oh my god, that's great. Be awesome.
Watch this gangster stuff right here. Please only.
Such a bad boy. We out here. We everywhere.
That's cheap.
Wow, that's not bad.
It's a 3-season tent. It's pretty fucking good.
$54.99. That's not bad. I'm not gonna be able to get out of this.
Get out on your own. You got in there.
Terrible. I took a picture. It's so bright. It's so bright. Well, we just left Sportsman's. It was fun. What do you think? It's a good day. Is it all right? Is everything you hoped it would be?
It was pretty Gucci.
Pretty Gucci.
Ready
for this? Look at that sign, boys. Look at that sign. Hot now. Holy.
Oh, God, there's no.
Get it, get it, get it. Oh, yeah. Oh, my God, the line. Finally home. I sort of am. It's just too dark in here. Those.
Did you get me donuts?
I got you
Got
donuts.
donuts. In
Oh,
case you didn't know, we have the best baby ever.
look here. Oh, see this guy. Cutest baby ever.
He's the best baby ever. He was so good today.
So pretty.
He was literally the best kid ever.
There's your. Can't see in here. Goodness. Your Krispy Kreme.
Happy cause donuts.
Happy Cuz Donuts.
Yeah.
Alright. Well, we're gonna finish this one out. It's
All sorts of
been
fun.
been a productive, long day. So, it's my beautiful wife here.
A beautiful wife that is exhausted and looks like a zombie.
You look beautiful.
Let's talk about a few
So-
questions.
I did not have lettuce behind me here. It was fuzz.
Look,
So,
baby clothes.
baby
okay, we're
clothes.
vlogging.
Wait, no, I'm just gonna say bye.
Okay. Good
So, peace out, girl.